Is your home filled with things you no longer use? Outdated clothes books you never finished, and objects full of memories, but no longer useful. We often think that the more we possess, the richer we are. But in the wisdom of Feng Shui, the opposite is true. True abundance comes from the flow of space. And the first step to creating flow is to learn to let go. Clutter is not just visually unappealing. It is an energetic blockage. Every object carries its own energy and information. When too many old items that no longer serve you pile up, they create stagnant chaos, like a pool of dead water in your home. The Tao of Decluttering is an active form of energy clearing. It is not simply about throwing things away. It is a meditation on the present moment. Examining each object and asking yourself, does this still nourish my life right now? So how do you begin this spatial detox? Rule 1. Start with a single drawer or a single corner. Do not try to organize an entire room at once. It will overwhelm you. Rule 2. Follow the 1-year rule. If you haven't used an item in the past year, it is very likely you no longer need it. Rule 3. Be grateful for the items you keep. Find them a clean and orderly home. This is a form of energetic respect. Rule 4. For the items you are letting go of, say a silent thank you. Thank them for their service, and then let them go on their new journey. This makes it emotionally easier to release them. When you clear the clutter from your home, you will be amazed to find that you have not only created physical space, but also mental space. New energy, new opportunities, new inspiration. Finally, have a channel to flow into. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will explore a mysterious object in the home, the mirror. Thank you for watching.